Class, I'm going to show you guys how to use the inspect tool. Alright, so I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to go to inspect. And over here it's going to show you all the HTML code that is allowing you to see this web page. Alright, if I come up here in this upper left hand part right here and I click on this and I say I want to manipulate this text right here, I can click on it and it's going to highlight where it's at over here on the right hand side. And if I click on this, I can come over here and I can actually change this. And I'm going to say hello world. Click enter and you can tell it's actually changed it up over here. And so you can kind of have fun. You can actually even change the images by doing this, coming up here, clicking on it. You can come over here, click on the image, find out where that image is located, which is right here. You could probably insert a different image in here. It's only temporary. The moment you come up here and you click enter and refresh it, it takes it off. It puts it back to what it was beforehand. So again, you just right click on it and you choose inspect, and then you choose this part right up here where it says select an element in the page to inspect it. And you come over here and you figure out what element you want to inspect, and it's going to highlight over here on the right hand side, and you can kind of manipulate it, change it, and have some fun with it. And then when you get done, just X out of it, go up to your bar and just hit refresh, and then it'll change it back to what it was beforehand. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.